Good evening, class 6. Today we are going to do sums on the worksheet. So, sum number 1 of the worksheet is 24 is to x equals to 400. Find x. This is sum number 1. Therefore, 24 by x equals to 400. Or I can write x equals to 24 by 400. So, this one 2 12s are 200s are 2 6s are, then 2 3s are 2 5s are 10. So we can write x is equals to 3 by 50, or I can write like this, so 56 are 300. Okay, so answer is 0.06 or 3 by 50. Then sum number 2 of the worksheet is sum number 2. If the ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4, what is the LCM of the two numbers? So the two numbers be, if I take the common unit as x, so one of the number is 3x and 4x. Their HCF is 4. That means here the common factor is x. So x equals to 4. Hence the two numbers are what? Two numbers are 3 into 4. So 12 and 4 into 4, that is 16. Now we have to find out the LCM of this two number. 12 and 16. So 2 is a 4, 3 is a 12, 12 4 is a 48. So LCM is 48. Okay, next sum. Sum number 3. Sum number 3 is, if the ratio of angles of a triangle be 4:5:9, find the angle. So here also we have to take the common unit as x. So 4x, 5x and 9x are the angles. Now sum of these angles, that is 4x plus 5x plus 9x, is equals to 180 degree. Here we get 18x equals to 180 or x equals to 10. Now we have to find out the individual angles. It is 4 into 10, that is 40 degree. 5 into 10, 50 degree. 9 into 10 is your 90 degree. So these are the corresponding angles of a triangle. Next, sum number 4. In a library, there are 1500 books. Among these books, the ratio of books of science to that of the commerce is 1:2. Determine the number of books of science to be purchased so that this ratio becomes 3:5. So here also we have to take the common unit as x. So science is how much? Science is taken as x and commerce is 2x, because the ratio is given as 1:2. So x plus 2x is equals to the total number of books that is there in the library. That is 3x equals to 1500, or I can say x equals to 500. So right now I can find out the total number of science books in the library and commerce books into the library. So science book is how much? Science was taken as x. So science equals to 500 and commerce is 2 into 500, that is 1000. Now we have to do the second part of the sum. Second part tells us that we have to find out the number of books of science that has to be purchased so that the ratio changes to 3:5. So initial number of science book was 500 plus y. Y is the number of science book to be purchased into the library. Denominator, we have the number of commerce books, that is 1000, because 2 into 500 gives 1000, equals to 3 by 5, right? Now here we do the cross multiplication. So 5y equals to 3000 minus 2500. So that gives us 500. So y equals to 500 by 5, that is your 100. So number of science book to be purchased is your 100. Next we have the fifth number sum from the worksheet. X is to y. This was sum number 4. X is to y equals to 5 is to 3. That means I can write x by y equals to 5 by 3. Now I have to find out 8x minus 5y is to 8x plus 5y. So let's do that. Eight x minus 5y minus 5y is to 8x plus 5y. I can write this as this one, divided by 8x plus 5y. Now I'll divide all the terms of the numerator and denominator by y. So this one will be x by y minus 5 y by y. That means it is equals to 1. Here also 8x by y plus 5 y by y, that is plus 5. Now I'll be putting the value of x by y, which is equals to 5 by 3. So 8 into 5 by 3 minus 5 divided by 8 into 5 by 3 plus 5. So this one is 40 by 3 minus 5. This one is 40 by 3 plus 5. We take the LCM, that is 3, 15. So 3 gets cancelled. So 40 minus 15 is how much? 25 by 55. So 5 11s are 55 and 5 5s are 25. So this is my value. 5 by 11 or 5 is to 11. So that's a class 6. Thank you.